Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video you are going to learn how to upload the files on web application with Selenium Java. There are two ways to upload the file. We can use sendKeys and also robot class to upload the files. Let's get started and discuss both the ways in this video. Before moving forward, you need to set the WebDriver, right? Because Selenium uses WebDriver to communicate with the main browser. So I want to execute my test cases in ChromeDriver. That's the reason I gave WebDriver as ChromeDriver. Now this driver will communicate with the Chrome browser. Next step is we need to navigate to that web page. We need to write driver.get and give the URL here. So first we are going to discuss to upload the files using sendKeys. To upload the file, we need to write down the XPath for this web element. So inspect, and you can see the HTML property which is highlighting. We can use this and write XPath / input, which is tag name, and the attribute is name. Make sure to enclose the value in single quotes. Alright, we can use this driver.findElement by.xpath and then dot sendKeys. Here we need to give the file path. Let's say I want to upload this test doc, so I need to give the path of this test doc. So it's in download, so let me use directly this test doc.pdf. Alright, let's try to execute our test case. It should open Chrome browser and it should upload the file from my system. As you can see, it's uploaded. It is showing me testdoc.pdf. So this is the first way. Using sendKeys, we can upload the document. Make a note that sendKeys can only be used when the HTML property has type equal to file. So when you inspect this, you can see there is a type which is file. So in this case only we can use this sendKeys method. If there is no type equal to file in the HTML property, then we can't use this sendKeys. So to overcome that, we can use robot class. Let me comment. And the second way to upload the file is robot class. You need to call robot, let's say rb as an object equal to new robot, then rb.delay. We can give some wait here for 2 seconds because execution will be very fast. So what user will basically do, he will land onto this web page and click on this choose file and then select the document and then click on open, right? So for clicking, we need to write XPath for that web element, right? So let me use this. So I am going to store this in a web element. Let's say web element choose file. I can write choose file dot click. Let me comment this for time being. Let us execute our test case. It should now open the Chrome browser and then click on this choose file web element. As you can see, this button is not getting clicked. and there is also an error in line number 26, which is this click. So sometimes Selenium get confused and click functionality throws error. So for that we can use actions class. So I am removing this because it is failing to click. Let me call actions class here. Actions a equal to new actions and initialize the driver in it. So a dot move to element, which will help us to move to the element, and element name is choose file, right? Then we are performing click functionality, and then we are giving build dot perform. Let me execute the test case now, and you can see it will work. It should open the Chrome browser and click on the choose file button. You can see it has already opened the Chrome browser and clicked on this choose file button. And here from this window we need to upload the file. That we will do using the robot class. Let me uncomment this. So we created the robot class and the object here. So what is the first thing? We need to copy the file. ctrl+c to clipboard. For that we need to write 2 lines of code, which is StringSelection ss equal to new string selection. So here we need to give the path of that file. So give the path of the file which you want to upload, and then next step is toolkit dot get default toolkit. Everything is auto suggestive when you write down 2 to 3 characters. Dot get system clipboard, and here we need to write set contents, in which we need to pass 2 arguments. First argument is this ss, and second one we can keep it as none. So we already copied the file path to our clipboard, and it's time to paste it, which means ctrl+v. Further, we need to use the keyboard functions of the robot class. We already created the object, right? rb.keypress, and here you need to write KeyEvent dot vk underscore control. Here it is. Same thing we need to write for pressing V on keyboard. So copy it, and here instead of control you just give V, and after pressing we also need to release it, right? rb.keyRelease. Same key event we need to use. Firstly we will release this control, and then we will release V. So these 2 steps is for pressing ctrl+v on keyboard. These below 2 steps are releasing the ctrl+v from keyboard. So we already did copy, paste, and then we need to hit enter, right? Same thing, rb.keypress method, and use KeyEvent, which is the same key event inside it. So this is the advantage of robot class. We can use key events of keyboard using key press and key release methods. Let us save this and upload the file now. So I am saving this and executing the test case. So it should open Chrome browser and click on the choose file button and then upload the file. You can see it's already uploaded. So this time we have uploaded using robot class. So there are two ways, one is sendKeys and robot class. I hope you understood this. Thank you.